first in India in May. The first judge of International Court of Justice in India is Sir Benegal Narsingh Rao. The first Indian to receive Paramveer Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma. The first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen is Sherpa Phudorji. The first Chief Election Commissioner in India is Sukumar Singh. The first person to receive Magsaysay Award in India is Acharya Vinode Bhave. The first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine is Hargobind Khurrana. The first Chinese traveler to visit India is Fahe. The first person to receive Stalin Prize is Saifuddin Kichlu. The first person to resign from Central Cabinet is Syama Prasad Mukherjee. The first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics in India is Amartya Sen. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court is Justice Harilal Jekisundas Kaniya. Thank you for watching video. For more updates, please like and subscribe the channel.